Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 117 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Paris Magic Anti-Redness Correcting Primer. So I got this at Ocean State Job Lot for $3. I love Ocean State Job Lot. Like, the dollar store is probably my favorite store, but right after that is Job Lot. Like, you can find so many great things at Job Lot, even great clothing. So recently I've gotten really into color correcting. I've tried out the LA Colors Conceal Correct, like color correcting concealers. I've tried a green one, I've tried a peach one, and I really like using green to help reduce the redness that I have on my cheeks. And I saw that Smashbox had a green primer that seemed to work really well, so I was like, oh, I really want to try that. But then when I was at Job Lot, I saw this L'Oreal version for $3, so I'm like, oh, well then I have to give that a try too. So I'm really hoping that this is A, a good primer, B, helps reduce my redness. Let's find out. It has this pump dispenser, so I'll just pump some onto my finger and rub it in. The consistency is very watery. It's very like light liquid. Also, happy Memorial Day to everyone. I'd love to know in the comments down below if you have any plans for today. Any cookouts, spending time with the family. Let me know. Okay, the primer is rubbed in and it feels like I just applied a lotion to my face. Like, that's what the consistency is. But I am not seeing much of a difference at all in the redness on my face. This primer also doesn't seem to be blurring my pores or anything like that. I'm going to take a tiny bit more and apply that right onto my cheeks. See if building it up will help reduce that redness. Let's try blending that in with my beauty blender. I'm feeling like no matter how much I'm adding, it's really not making a difference. I think it's probably because the consistency is so thin. Like, there's really just no opacity to the green color, so it's really not doing anything to cover any redness since it doesn't have enough pigment to it, maybe. My skin is feeling kind of sticky right now, like it might just be a good general primer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, so we'll see how it works as a primer. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I've been using this foundation for so long, I feel like I haven't tried out a new foundation in a while. So let me know if you have any recommendations for foundations that I should try out. I do have a bunch on my list of makeup to try, so hopefully I'll be doing that on my channel again soon, a new foundation to try out. It's just like, I love this one, so like, if I found a good one, I should stick with it, but I also just love to try new makeup. So it's time for a new foundation, I think. Okay, my foundation is applied, and I'm liking how it looks. It doesn't look much different than it normally looks when I use this foundation with other primers that I like. So I do feel like this primer is nice as far as like making my skin feel a little bit hydrated. My skin looks very even, like there's no real texture or dryness. But as far as the redness reducing, you can definitely see my redness on my cheeks as if I hadn't done any color correcting. So I think that the LA Colors Green Corrector Concealer that I tried out worked better than this L'Oreal Green Color Correcting Primer. I'm glad I only spent $3 on it because it didn't really do what I was hoping it would do. I guess I am going to have to try out that green Smashbox primer because that one might actually make a difference, so hopefully in the future I'll be trying that out on my channel. I'm going to continue to use this primer just as an ordinary primer and probably still incorporate the green color correcting concealer on my cheeks where I want that extra redness reducing. So I'm not going to consider this product a complete fail, but not a real success either. So I'm off to go spend some time with my family on this Memorial Day. We're gonna do a cookout, just hang out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.